Okay, so this is my floor mats, and can you use this super glue here and this Insta set? Can you use that to glue this on? I mean, it's pretty. No, but this one, for example, is completely loose. Look, I don't know. Look, this is a piece of rock, but yeah, can you glue this on here with super glue is the question. That's my big question. Let's try it. I don't know if my thing is good here. Oh, look at this. So this is yeah, let's glue this on the clean surfaces. This is super glue, right? Close that good, but it doesn't. Here, there, and then we put this on here, nice, like this, right? And then the fun part here is this stuff. Oh, it smells hard, but that stuff will harden this glue here immediately in seconds. Maybe I put too much on there. Now with my gloves, with this stuff on my gloves, I cannot touch that bottle anymore. Otherwise the bottle will harden in a second.